Dhokla isn't just a snack, it's a game of perfect texture. Get it right with the new Philips OneChef. First, let's prep the batter. Combine sugar, citric acid, water, and whisk until the sugar dissolves completely. Salt, add ginger juice, besan, green chili paste, baking soda, oil, and mix until smooth and lump-free. Cover and rest for about 10 minutes. For cooking the dhokla, press the power button, select steam mode, followed by Idli Preset. Set for 20 minutes on high heat and press start. Add 4 cups of water to the cooking pot. Place the steaming basket inside Philips OneChef. Pour this batter into a greased mold and position the greased mold in the basket. Cover with a special glass lid and steam for 20 minutes. Remove the mold and let the dhokla rest at room temperature for about 5 minutes. Now for the most important tadka. Press the power button, select curry mode followed by Tadka Preset and set it to 5 minutes on medium heat. Add oil to the cooking pot. To the hot oil, add green chilies, hing, mustard seeds, curry leaves, white sesame seeds and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add water and bring to a quick boil for 1 minute. Sprinkle some red chili powder. Pour this hot tadka evenly over the prepared dhokla and cut into desired shapes. Transfer to a serving dish and serve hot with green chutney. Your favorite farshan made simple with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.